Good morning, students.
Good morning, ma'am.
Please sit down. Taken your breakfast?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, have you seen that movie Spider-Man?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what is in that movie?
Spider.
A spider bite a guy. Then he became Spider-Man. Bite a person and he became a Spider-Man.
Is it true in this real world?
No, ma'am.
No. So today we are going to read about spider. You know there are several types of spiders are there, and they have their own, you may say, their own hunting place. Okay, they create that themselves. Okay, they create it. They just hunt their prey. Okay, in that surrounding. Okay, so today we are going to read a poem about spiders, okay, and how they are catching flies. And another thing is there about this poem. I would like to tell you that in our life there are so many people. Some people are good, some people are bad, but we have to recognize them. We have to judge them whether this person is good or not. We should not flown away by their sweet words. Okay, some people are there who tells very sweetly, who talks very sweetly. They will be they just make you feel that they are your well wishers, but in their inner side they are not that. They are very bad, they are very cruel maybe, and sometimes small kids like you, they often come into their trap. Okay, with their sweet talk, some kids, smaller kids, younger kids, they just get into their trap and spoil their lives. You know, child laboring, human trafficking, how these are happening. Small kids, they are begging in the streets. There is a gang. How they are collecting the kids? Understand? Suppose you are coming to school by a public bus. Okay. So some person will come and sit beside you and tell you something. Okay, talk with you nicely and become your friend. After some days you are good friends. You will share everything to him or her. And after some time, she or he will call you, let's come to our place, just see it. Then it happens. So this is a story to teach the kids not to be driven by sweet words of some people. Okay, let's start the poem first. Okay, there is a beautiful quotation at the beginning of the poem. Be careful of people you do not know. Okay, those people you don't know, you should be very careful. Don't speak to them or get attracted by their kind or sweet words. Always you have heard that your parents always advise you, don't talk to strangers, don't take anything from the strangers. Why? Because they knew. Because you don't know the world, you don't have that experience of good and evil people. For younger kids, all are same. All people are good. Actually, all people good, no doubt. But there are some evil persons are there. Okay, from whom we have to keep ourselves away. Okay, keep ourselves safe, keep ourselves protected. Am I understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Oh, you should not speak to them, means those person we don't know, means strangers. We should not get attracted by their sweet voice. Okay, we should not take anything that they are offering. This is a poem about the evil spider and an innocent fly. Okay, what is the work of a spider? It builds a net web, okay, and it just traps some smaller insects, flies, mosquitoes and other insects, okay. Anything that is very small can be trapped in that web, okay. Now start the poem. Will you walk into my parlor, said the spider to the fly. Okay, how a spider looks, who can draw a picture? Can you? No. Can anyone? No. Okay, Aja, come, draw a picture. Okay, okay. Will you walk into my parlor, said the spider to the fly. This is the prettiest little parlor that ever you did spy. So the spider is talking to a fly, telling her that will you walk into my parlor? Okay, inviting her to come into his parlor. He is not saying come into my net or web, because what is a parlor? Parlor is a place where it is where everything is very nice, okay, attractive, and you are going to get best treatment there. Okay, so he is not, the spider is so cunning, so clever. He is not saying, Yuvraj, are you listening? Okay, he is so, where is your book? Don't have. Give me a book. Okay, so the spider is so cunning, so clever that he just wanted to attract the fly. He is inviting the fly by saying that please come into my parlor. Will you come into my parlor? Inviting, not saying that wave. If someone will say that come to my jail, will you go? No. Okay, that type of thing, we are not going to do that. If the fly listens that the spider is calling and come to my net, will the fly go? No. Okay. This is the prettiest little parlor that ever you did spy. Okay, if you spy means if you inquiry around, it is the best little parlor in this surrounding. Okay. The way into my parlor up a winding stair. Okay, so to my parlor you have to climb the stairs. It is a winding stair. Okay, it is very circular and also steps are there. You can imagine the the wave of a spider, how it is. Just like this type of, I am not a very good, this type na? Okay, something like that strings are there, okay, steps are there, and it is in a circular way, okay. And I have many curious things to show when you are there. So there are so many things. What are the things? Okay. Then the fly is saying, oh no, said the little fly, to ask me is in vain. So you are asking me to, you are inviting me to your parlor, but it is no use. I am not going to go there. For who goes off your winding stair can never come down again. Because whoever goes into your parlor, he never comes down. Okay, that means what must be happening there? Obviously, okay. I am sure you must be very dear with soaring up so high. Will you rest upon my little bed, said the spider to the fly. Okay, see, saying, I am sure you must be very. You are flying so high and you must be very tired. Okay, you must be very weary. So you please come and rest in my little bed. Okay, in my parlor there is a little bed. You just climb to the parlor and take some rest because you must be very tired. There are pretty curtains drawn around. The sheets are fine and thin. Okay, the spider is saying that in my bedroom there are pretty cottons are there. Okay, cotton, you know, something that made of that fabric or your cloth that is hung to the sunlight to come or to brightness, to down the brightness like that. So there are thin and fine cottons. So it is the that thread of the net by the spider, the thin thread. इसे कहते हैं ना जाला, or what is that in Hindi? जाला. Okay. What is क्या बोलते हैं उसे, स्पाइडर को क्या बोलते हैं? मकड़ी, मकड़ी का जाला. Yes. Okay. And if you like to rest a while, I will snugly tuck you in. Oh no, no, said the little fly, for I have often heard it said, they never wake again who sleep upon your bed. So if you are going to sleep, then I will down the curtain, you will be comfortable and you sleep nicely. But the fly is very smart, okay, you may say. So she is saying, no, no, I have heard that whoever sleeps on your bed, he never wakes again. Okay. Said the cunning spider to the fly, dear friend, what can I do to prove the warm affection I have always felt for you? So now the spider is saying that what will I do to prove my warm affection, to prove my good wishes, to prove my heart that I have affection in my heart to you, and what I will do. Just tell me what I will do to prove my affection, love, good wishes for you. Okay, I have within my pantry good store of all that's nice. I'm sure you are very welcome. Will you please just take a slice? So now he is offering that I have so many things in my pantry. Pantry, you know, pantry is a place where we store the things, that is edible things, preserved there, stored there. Okay. Oh no, no, said the little fly, kind sir, that cannot be. Okay, I will never come to your parlor. Okay. I have heard what's in your pantry and I do not wish to see. Sweet creature, said the spider, you are witty and you are wise. So the fly is saying that I already know that what is in there in your pantry. Okay, so I don't wish to see that. And now the spider knew that the fly is very wise, it is very smart, so it is hard to fool that fly to trap in the web. Okay. Now he started to do apply another trick. What is that? He just attract. Okay, now he started to attract the fly by admiring her, by praising her. Okay, how handsome are your gauzy wings, how brilliant are your eyes. I have a little looking glass upon my parlor shelf. If you will step in one moment, dear, you shall behold yourself. Now the spider wanted to attract the fly with the words of praise, with the words of admiration. Okay, by starting that, you may say, we feel good when people praise us, when people admire our dressing style or admire something that we are wearing, or suppose someone is having very beautiful eyes, then we are praising. So it makes us feel very happy. When someone praises us, then we become very happy. It is the human nature. We all like that. We all love that also sometimes. Okay. So now it is the trick of the spider how to attract the fly with the words of praise and admiration. Okay, and the next part will be read in the next class. Thank you. Bye.